we are open. Either if you can check our services are 100% electronics or e-services, so you don't have to visit us, unless if we ask you to visit. So what I mean, this is a very important message. I need everyone to just listen to it. Today, we are welcoming everyone in GDRFA, but because of what's happening in the world, because of COVID-19, we need people just to be aware that because of their health and our staff health, of course, we need people to use our e-services, use our Amur centers to just submit their applications and finish their services. But if we need you as a client, we have a lot of ways to send you a message, or you receive an email that tells you, please visit GDRFA main branch or our center to complete such documents that we need, or such information that we need. So my advice for everyone is to not visit unless we ask them. I know a lot of people says, I applied for a visa or renew and it takes long time. Today we can hear, or you people here, I apply for information update and it takes a lot of time or long time and I didn't get back. No one get back to me.
Yeah, this is one of the questions that readers always ask.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So the first thing is we return to the old system, which is the fingerprint and Amur center.
Okay.
So people from today, so people, they don't need to update through the portal. They can just only provide their information or updated information to Amur center, and it will be updated in our center.
So updated by phone?
Today in Amur center.
Okay.
Previously, why? Just I want to explain what is the update, information update.
Yes.
It's a matter, we had a system because of we were working at home. We call it the OTP that we are receiving it from the bank, or you can receive an OTP. It's a one-time message or one-time password. So usually people, they don't have their right mobile number at the system.
Okay.
So what happens? The message gone to, I don't know, I mean the number that is in our system. So they are updating it. But today we return back to the old system, which is the normal fingerprint system with the, safety procedures are there. And at the same time, for the companies, we are working on, the launch will be in a few days coming. Okay. We are working on what they call it, the virtual RS token. Previously, you have an RS token. Today, it will be in your mobile. Virtual? Yes. Okay. So most probably, of course, this kind of service will, the load will be less than before. But we need to make sure that we are not asking you to come unless we need an information from you. So this is my first message, and maybe I took a long time on it, but it's very important to know that please avoid visiting because of your health and our health, and we don't want our centers to be stuck with the client. That's why. Okay.
So one of the major questions that it's always we receive, and I think you guys also have been receiving, it's for the people who their residency or visa were expired after March 2020.
Okay.
The government said that it will be extended till the end of the year.
Auto extend. Yeah.
Yes. So can you just clarify this issue to the
very good question, Mr. Ali. The thing is, as everyone knows, the government just extend all kind of visas which expired after 1st of March. So they are valid till 21st of December 2020. The important question is, if I need to renew my residence, can I do it? Yes, you can. Okay. You can do. You can apply for a renewal, form.
Yes.
And for the renewal, it's without medical.
So there will be no medical?
No medical.
For renewal?
Yes.
These days?
Just only you will pay the fees of the ID, Emirates ID, and the normal renewal fee.
Okay.
But if people who are traveling for any reason, okay, they want to leave the country, and they will say that I'm talking about now Dubai airports will get back soon.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm traveling and I'm getting back. Systemically, your visa is renewed. But I cannot make sure that when you are coming back, the airline will allow you to travel because the residence is, which is sticked on your passport, it's expired.
Okay.
So if you are planning to travel, the advice is to renew the visa. If you are in the country, you don't have to do it.
Okay, so it's better to renew it.
But if you like, it's fine. You can renew.
So for residents who are inside the country and their visa expired, it's automatically renewed till the end of the year.
All of them.
Is there any way that they can check about this?
Yes, they can call the call center, but usually it is renewed 100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about the family sponsored resident visa? Those were issued in March and then cancelled before their entry.
Again, it's a very good question. So if the people who are traveling, there is no any fines on it. But let us say the person will have a new visa to apply, okay, or a new company to go to. Usually, they will not pay any fine for that.
Okay.
Till the date, till today. I'm talking about if there is any order, of course, you people will mention that or you'll announce it. But till the day, there is no any fine on it.
No fine. So many people also being confused between the extension of permits between residency and visitors. So many people, let's say the visitors or the people who came on tourist visa to the UAE, and their visas expired after 1st of March.
It's extended till the end of the year.
So it's also extended.
It's the same, both.
Okay,
Yeah.
because it's people talking, what if I'm a resident? So if you're a resident, your visa extended. If you're a tourist or came on visit visa and your visa expired after March 1st, it's also automatically extended until end of the year, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now what about the waiver? I mean, the amnesty that been recently they've been in order by the UAE government to waive all the fines on people who are staying illegally in the country before March 1st. Can you just highlight this point?
As announced, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa, the people who are overstay before the 1st of March, they are all under this amnesty, and they can leave the country without any procedure.
Okay.
This is just to make it clear.
Okay.
So if you are traveling, just only you can book a ticket and go to the airport.
I think there is a deadline. I think there is a 3 months deadline.
Yes, it's 3 months starting from 1st of March till 1st of August.
Okay. One of the questions, again, we have a reader, he's saying, how about my visa will be finished on October? It will be automatic renewal or I need to renew it? So it's similar question.
Next October?
Finish, expire on October, this October. So if it's finished on October, it will be extended this October.
This October,
2020.
Yes.
So it will be extended till end of the year?
As of today, we have to make sure, as of today, okay, any visa will be expired after 1st of March.
Yes.
It's extended till the end of the year.
Okay, what about let's say we know there is a list of countries that they can get visa on arrival.
Yes.
It's like a British passport holder.
Yeah.
So he still can have this if they come to the UAE?
Yes.
To get a visa on arrival?
If the airports are open and the normal passengers are allowed to come to the country.
Yeah.
So the rule will be the same.
So
exactly.
So it's the same.
Yeah.
I think we have more questions.
Okay. Yeah. So
my colleague Falah, she will present also the questions. She's helping me with that.
So there are a bunch of questions that our readers have asked. Most of them you have answered. A lot of people have a question about the holding of visas. to, where they hold it in process and then they have to come back to them. Can you just explain that process a little bit?
Yes. This process or this service were like stopped before last week, as we were working from home. But since last week, we are back again for this service. They can visit, the out sections. It's not the head office. The head office, there is no any services being provided, only in Al Tawar Center, Manara Center, and Dubai Airport Free Zone. So these three centers are the centers will provide two services. What they call it, holding the family visa because of the sponsor is cancelling, and the other one is to have what they call it, to remove the absconding letter that to apply to just take off the absconding in the system.
Another question is, someone is saying that they have applied for their wife and children's visit visa way prior to when the cancellation started. They're saying, is that still, does it stand cancelled or does it stand valid? And how would we check that status?
Yeah, till now, if the visa is expired on the system, on the visa, on the printout, it shows that it's expired already, the 2 months before entering the country. So it's expired. But we are studying a way, and we are waiting for the order to have like a solution to those visas. So till now we didn't get any order of it, but we have many scenarios. So before opening those, the airports back to the people, to the passenger, of course we will announce what they should do. If the visa is valid, so they can use it. If it's expired, of course, we will tell them exactly what to do.
Another one is people are asking if the issuance of new visas has started or when is it predicted to start. Do you have any information on that?
Not yet. But inside country visas are okay, and they can, they can apply whenever they want. Inside country visas. So it's changing jobs, or they are on a visa, on a visit visa, and they want to change to the residence, so they can do it.
So even if you have, let's say, sorry for the interruption, so even if there is a resident in Abu Dhabi and he found a job in Dubai,
yes.
So he can apply. So it's different
between
different Emirates? Okay.
No problem.
Yeah.
No.
Another question that some people have, like you said, the fines have been waived.
Yes.
Some people have a slight confusion whether that should be applied or declared somewhere, or is that an automatic procedure?
Automatic to travel.
Okay.
It's not to change status. It's to travel. So the amnesty is only to travel the country. But if you need to change the status or you have a new job, you have to go to the normal procedure. Yeah.
A person has a question about their parents who are older, in their 70s and 60s. Like you said, the medical examination is not required at the moment.
Yeah.
But they're asking whether a renewal will require something like that, because they're afraid that they don't want to take their parents inside.
Just to make sure, if we say, for example, we need even for the renewal, we need to have a medical test. Who's getting the medical and who's not getting, at the end, the decision is from DHA, okay, Dubai Health Authority. So if Dubai Health Authority says with a letter or says, of course, Dubai Health Authority, they know exactly who's eligible to take the test or not. So if they said, I think they will ask DHA, and if they said they don't need, and just only they have to provide us a letter, and we'll do it without medical test, even for the new. I'm not talking only the renew, even for the new. So they are the one who will decide.
Yeah, because their question was about the renew.
The renew till now, they can renew without medical. But if we ask for a medical, they are the right place to say that the authorities with DHA.
Another question, this person had a work permit expiry fine. They said that has been waived. When they reached Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization, they said that they were not aware of these directives. Is there an update on that? this might have happened before?
I think I don't know when it happens exactly, but they are updated. For sure, they are updated. Yeah.
And that is the
yes.
right now. Another person said that they actually got an employment freelance entry visa which expired on 16th of April.
Okay.
But they weren't able to travel to Dubai because of coronavirus. Are they able to travel to Dubai right now after June 1st?
After June 1st, it's with a permit. Okay, they have to apply through the portal. If they get the approval, they can. But if the visa is expired, I mean, they have to get the permit and they have to apply for a visa. So they have to renew that visa. But it's an entry permit or it's a residence visa?
It's an entry visa, freelance entry visa. Is that how?
So freelance entry visa depends. It's the entry permit or it's stuck in the passport. If it's in the passport, after 1st of March, it's renewed. Either they are inside the country or outside the country. So most probably they can just get the permit. If it's approved, they can come to the country, no problem.
I mean, this is one of the things also, people who got visit visas before the outbreak of COVID-19. And they couldn't come because of the moment, the flight restrictions. So is their visas will be valid?
Till now they are expired. If it's expired on the visa itself, it's expired.
Okay.
As I said, we have more than one scenario. Okay, so we are waiting for the order. But before, the airports will reopen, of course we will advise and we'll tell them exactly what to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One of the questions, it's readers, they're asking about their working visa. One of the reader is saying his working visa will expire on September this year.
Okay.
So he's asking, it will just be extended or need to renew by my company?
It will be extended. As I said,
okay,
it will be extended till the end of the year. But of course, if we have a different order, it will be announced.
Okay. I think one of the issues that we've been receiving from our readers, it's about people who cancel their visa after March 1st.
Okay, we said that those people, till now, of course, the cancellation in the system, there is a fine, but let them apply, okay, for the new visa.
Okay.
When they are doing the change status, of course, we will see case by case. We'll look at it.
So, because I have a question from a reader, Rajan. He said just like they will be fine after 29 days once the visa cancelled.
No, till now, no.
Till now, no.
Yeah. If you want to travel, he's fine.
He's fine.
Yes.
But if you want, okay. We're still getting a lot of questions. We have Yasser Khan. He said, I have a British passport and I came on visa to Dubai. I am in Dubai, all immigration and Oman borders are closed.
When is
so he's asking about also, is my visa still free until the end of the year?
Yes.
So it's
all kind of visas are extended till the end of the year. Okay. Just Mr. Yasser and others without fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Who is expired after 1st of March.
Okay. What about residents who are outside the country and their visa got expired after March 1st?
It's exactly the same as the entry permit. So, no, they are outside the country and expired after, it's extended.
It's extended?
Extended.
Okay.
Any kind of visas, residence visa. Of course, entry permit is not, because there is no entry on it. But any kind of residence, okay, we have like 3 kind of residence. We have investors, we have family visas, and we have a normal employment visa.
Yes.
If they are expired after 1st of March and they are outside the country, it's extended till the end of the year. Exactly the same as the people who are inside the country.
Okay, so because usually it's people, who are spending more than 6 months outside the country. They are worried that their visa will be cancelled.
It's extended. Even for them, in this situation or this case, the 6 months is not there. The 6 months rule is not there.
Okay. one of the also major issues after the restrictions that happened with COVID-19, stranded residents outside the UAE, they've been asking to come back. So we know that the government approved them to return back after June 1st.
Yes.
But many of them, they just need to know what's the procedure.
I mean, they have to apply through the portal. It's ica.gov.ae.
Yes.
Okay. So just they have to apply for, they call it outside country permit.
Yes.
Okay, or entry permit.
Yes.
Exactly. So they will apply, and when they will get the reply, okay,
Approval.
Approved, the permit is approved,
Yeah.
they have to proceed with the ticket.
With the booking.
Yeah, with the booking. So please do not book till you will get the approval. And it's mentioned on a like red box on the website already.
Okay. I mean, we're receiving a lot of questions. So what about after December 31st this year?
Yeah.
What people should do? They should go back to their home countries before it, or they renew the visa?
No, just my advice. We can say, inshallah, we're gonna like. I mean, this COVID-19 will get over. So my advice is, if everything goes fine and goes back, for the people to renew their residence as soon as possible. So the question is why? Of course, we know at the end of the year, it's an holiday. So we have, the Christmas holiday, and we have the New Year holiday. So most probably a lot of traffic will be even on the flights, and even on the normal applications, or submitting application. So I advise people, if everything goes back well, to renew their residence, as soon as possible. They are most welcome to stay, but it's better for them. It's kind of an advice. So after 31st, of course, again, we are waiting for the order from the government. There is no any order or rules till now regarding after the 21st of December.
So it's even for, let's say, I came here on visit visa, and it's expired. Is it better also to get an extension for the visa, or to get a new visa?
Because some kind of visas, we don't have an extension on it.
Okay.
A lot of them. Maybe all of them, except on arrival visa.
Okay.
So the Schengen tourist visa, there is no extension on it.
Okay.
So most probably after opening the airports, there is a period will be there, and people should leave before that.
So if a person wants to, he can apply for a new visa, visit visa?
And yes, inside the country.
They can?
Yes, they can.
If they want to stay.
Now they don't have to.
Now they don't.
But if they want to stay after,
yes.
Everything will get back as normal, of course they can apply. Yeah.
Okay, we have a question from Komal Yadav. What about cancelled visa for people who wants to travel to their home countries and planning to be back to the UAE after 3 months or something?
They have to apply for a new visa, and that's it.
So it's normal?
Nothing, yeah.
Okay. It's a lot of people asking about the cancelled visa overstay fines.
Nothing is there.
Yeah. So
but to make, again, to be on a safe side, I advise people just to call the call center, 800-5111, but to avoid calling during the peak time. Our peak time starts from 10 a.m. till 2 or 3 p.m.
Okay.
So this is a very peak time.
Okay.
So the call center is on for 24/7. 24 hours they can call.
Okay.
So anytime they can call and just ask the agent that I need to check, I cancel, I need to check what is the validity.
Okay.
So systemically they will get the proper answer.
So they can call our call center,
800-5111
again. So we have another question from Chandra. My visa will finish on August 6, 2020. Will it still be auto renewal until January 2021? So it's similar to this one. So the auto renew until 31st of December 2020.
Exactly.
Okay. we have Amit, he's asking, after visa cancellation, people can stay in the UAE or not?
Yes.
They can?
They can stay. For now, they can stay because a lot of countries still they didn't open the airport. So we cannot force them to travel.
Okay.
But they can stay. And again, they have to check time by time. They have to call the call center and to check the validity of the cancellation.
So because we have this from reader Amit, he's saying that his visa will be cancelled on 30th of June this year.
Okay.
So in that case, can he stay up to 31st of December 2020 after he cancelled his visa?
No, of course.
Okay.
Till now,
Yeah.
yes.
But we don't know if
the situation is the same.
Yes.
But of course, if everything get to normal and get back, we will announce exactly what should those people do. Exactly.
Okay.